Take your right hand on your heart. Today we'll be doing the advanced Hooponopono for uncertainty. So I take 100% responsibility for this feeling of uncertainty. I release all that conditions, all that situations, and all that people because of which I am getting this feeling of uncertainty. I am sorry, dear universe, for creating this feeling of uncertainty. Please forgive me, dear universe, for creating this feeling of uncertainty. Thank you, dear universe, for making me aware of this feeling of uncertainty, which is deep inside me only. So today, I am ready to release this. Thank you for making me aware of this feeling of uncertainty, which is nothing but the fear of the future, that what is going to happen in the future with respect to my health, relationship, career, and money. I love you, dear universe, for creating the situations or the conditions because of which I have understood that this feeling of uncertainty is inside me only. The outer situation or the people are just the trigger for this emotions of the uncertainty and the fear. Deep inside me only, this feeling of uncertainty is stored. And it's okay to feel fearful about the future or to have the uncertainty about the future. But please make me that much of the strong to handle this uncertainty and this fear of the future. Dear universe, I am just resisting this fear of uncertainty or just uncertainty of the future. I am pushing this away from me only. But the inner child inside me is not ready to release this fear of future, uncertainty about the future. So I am ready to release all that negative emotions which my inner child is not ready to accept. So I am now just ready to love my inner child enough so that my inner child will allow me to handle this uncertainty. Now imagine that a small baby. Imagine yourself now, which is of 5 years old, and she is not knowing that what will happen in the future. She is not capable of handling the uncertainty. So because of that, the child is frightened and she is looking towards her parents that they will take care of me in this uncertainty. So the uncertainty of the future is not able to handle by that inner child, but that inner child is still happy, still playing, still enjoying the present moment, and she is completely depend. She is completely depends on her parents for everything. She knows that. She trusts her parent that everything is going to be okay when my parents are there. She is having that faith. She is having that trust. Now that baby is growing. She is of 10 years now. She always tells everything about her feelings to her parents. And every time her parents takes care of her feelings. That everything will be okay. You just be calm, quiet. Don't get panic. Everything is fine. Exactly it is right now. Now that baby has become of the 17 years, 18 years, and she got that confidence. Now I am a different human being. So I don't need to tell everything to my parents. So she stopped sharing everything with her parents. Sometimes she starts handling the things by her own, but sometimes she fails. Still she accepts it. Now that girl has grown up of 25 years. She has matured enough. She handled everything because she knows that after my parents, someone is there to take care of me always. That is the universe. Now she has grown up. She is of 40 years now, 35 years now. Sometimes the universe has tested her a lot. So in that case, she doubted on the universe that whether universe will take care of me or not. But she has just forgotten that. Since her childhood, every moment the universe has taken care of. Before her birth also, when she was an energy, in her mother's womb also, the universe has taken care of. But she started doubting on the universe that whether the universe will take care of me or not. Universe has given me such a great puzzle in my life, because of which I am not able to move in my health, relationship, career, and money. And that child starts blaming on the universe that how come this happened with me? Why the universe is not taking care of me? Why the universe is taking care of other people always, not me? What I have done are wrong things. So she starts blaming on herself also. But still, universe showers the love and tells her that, dear child, please heal this. These are the wounds which you are carrying in your subconscious mind, because of which you are getting this hurt. Don't doubt on yourself or on me. Just heal these memories. Because I really want that you should become the better version of you. Because you are not there, I am only there. I want this experience through you. So it's not your experience, It's my experience only. So let me have this experience through you. Because at the energy level, we both are one. You're my child. How can I trouble you, dear child? I'm your father and you're my child. I want that you should have everything best because you're part of me and you deserve the best. But you're not accepting that and you are just pushing the experiences which I really want you to learn, which I really want you to have it in your life. So learn the lesson from it and become the best version, better version of you, which I really want to make you. Because I want you to give the best. It's like diamond. You are a diamond for me. So I am making the process of becoming or giving you the best shine of your life. But for that, you have to go through the process. So please take care of these experiences. Learn the lesson which I really want to teach you. Thank you, dear universe, for helping me to grow in my life. I am truly grateful for this beautiful lesson of the uncertainty. Sometimes this uncertainty is also good because we have the surprises in our life. As a childhood, in our childhood, we have just played the different games and we have tried the new games. We were uncertain about that games in the starting, but as we played, we enjoyed it. So same way, this is a life where I have to play my role, where I have to play a game. I have to enjoy this uncertainty also because nothing is certain in the life. Even I don't know that whether tomorrow I'll be there or not. So I have to be happy in the present moment only. I have to enjoy the present moment only. Whatever comes the next. I love you, dear universe, for always taking care of me since my childhood, since my birth, since in my previous lives. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you for helping me to learn this beautiful lesson of uncertainty. I accept this uncertainty with love because whatever I'm going to resist, it is going to persist. So I accept the uncertainty and I can manage the uncertainty beautifully. I'm super creative. I can handle the change. Dear universe, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Everything is perfect. Exactly it is right now. Dear universe, thank you for teaching me this lesson of uncertainty. Thank you. Take a deep breath.